Hey everyone! Today, we're drawing and coloring a cute Doraemon. Let's get started. First, draw a big circle for Doraemon's head. Next, draw two big eyes in the middle of the circle with a tiny nose in between. Look, Doraemon is sleeping. Now let's draw the body, arms, and legs. Now let's do some magic. Snap your fingers to wake him up. Whoa, Doraemon is awake and ready for color. First, color his body blue, his face white, and his nose red. Our Doraemon drawing is complete and looking awesome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time!